Unleashing the Power of ChatGPT. Part 2, Enhancing Content Creation with ChatGPT. Welcome back. In this video, we'll dive into the exciting ways in which ChatGPT revolutionizes content creation for social media platforms. By harnessing its advanced language capabilities, ChatGPT becomes a powerful ally for social media marketers looking to captivate their audience with compelling and engaging content. ChatGPT opens up a world of possibilities when it comes to generating content for social media. One of its key strengths lies in its ability to create engaging captions that grab attention and entice users to explore further. Whether it's a thought-provoking question, a catchy tagline, or a concise and impactful description, ChatGPT can provide marketers with a range of captivating caption ideas to enhance their posts. Moreover, ChatGPT can assist in crafting compelling social media posts. By leveraging its understanding of language and context, ChatGPT can generate posts that resonate with the target audience. Whether it's a persuasive call to action, an informative announcement, or a witty remark, ChatGPT can help marketers create posts that drive engagement and inspire action. Beyond captions and posts, ChatGPT's creative storytelling capabilities are truly remarkable. It can assist in weaving captivating narratives that captivate the audience's imagination and foster a connection. Whether it's an inspiring brand story, a behind-the-scenes glimpse, or a captivating anecdote, ChatGPT can help marketers craft compelling narratives that resonate with their audience and build a loyal following. Let's take a look at some examples of how ChatGPT can assist in various aspects of content creation. Brainstorming content ideas. ChatGPT can be a valuable companion for social media marketers in the ideation phase. By providing prompts and suggestions, it can help generate fresh and creative ideas for content, ensuring that marketers always have a wellspring of inspiration at their disposal. Creating viral posts. ChatGPT's ability to analyze trends and understand the dynamics of viral content can be leveraged to create posts that have the potential to go viral. By incorporating trending topics, popular hashtags, and engaging storytelling techniques, marketers can increase the likelihood of their posts gaining widespread visibility and engagement. Tailoring content for different channels. Each social media platform has its own unique style and audience. ChatGPT can assist in tailoring content to suit specific platforms, ensuring that posts align with the preferred format, tone, and audience expectations of each channel. Whether it's crafting concise and visually appealing content for Instagram or generating longer-form discussions for LinkedIn, ChatGPT can help marketers optimize their content for maximum impact. By harnessing ChatGPT's capabilities, social media marketers can unlock a world of creativity and efficiency in their content creation process. From generating captivating captions and posts to crafting compelling narratives and tailoring content for different platforms, ChatGPT becomes an invaluable asset in driving engagement, expanding reach, and cultivating a loyal community of followers. In the next video, we'll explore how ChatGPT can personalize audience engagement on social media. Stay tuned for some exciting insights. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment.